Hello, everybody. I know you're wondering, what is she doing today? That's why I'm calling this What's on Her Bonnet Now? Hello, I'm Linda. I'm the old bird. I'm a city girl living in the country, a senior citizen starting a new Rosemary business. This is my new vlog. Don't forget to like it and subscribe. The title is Cloudy Days Like Today. In our area, it has been in the 70s, but this week in the 40s. Cold. Next week is supposed to be back up to 70. But today is cool, windy, and cloudy. I'm in the process of getting my new business up and going. It's taking time because I have to grow my fresh herbs. I'm planning on having my rosemary as my primary crop. The wintertime, even in South Carolina, is my cloudy season. I don't know what may happen with my garden day by day. It may look okay today, and tomorrow it may look stormy and dark. In this learning stage, I know two things that has been made very clear to me. First, the cloudy days are great learning days. And second, not being in control is a good thing. When I really don't want to go outside because there's little I can do when it's cold, I take classes. You see, Rosemary found me. I planted one little twig in a great big pot, and it grew like mad. It grew into a big bush over 4 feet wide. When I placed some in my Etsy shop, it started to sell. That's when I decided to start a rosemary business. I knew nothing and am still learning how to get it done. It's been a lot of work, so having time to set aside just to learn is crucial. I take cooking classes online, learning more and new ways to use my fresh herbs. And this has been exciting, not only for me, but for my husband also. When I learn some new dish that turns out really well, I make it for my sister-in-law. She's down there. When I get a thumbs up, I know it is a winner. When my husband says, "It's all right, I'm sure you'll figure out what you need to do," then I know, Mm-mm. That's not going to work. So let it go. I also take classes on growing herbs, container gardening, farming, soil, growing vegetables, and anything that might be of help to me and my new business. I know that it's time well spent. There's nothing I can do about the weather. Every day, or at least every season, is a complete surprise. I have to readjust and deal with it. That's why not being in control is a good thing. I see what my herbs look like all year in every weather condition. It amazes me. Just when it looks like a plant is completely dead, green, beautiful leaves either peek through the bottom of the plant or new growth appears in the whole area where it was originally planted. It brings excitement that I never thought I could experience. Use your seasons well. When it's time to learn, learn as much as you possibly can. Take notes and keep them in a file, especially if your memory is like mine. Man, pictures may even be necessary. So take photographs. Don't get all upset when the unexpected happens. God is in control. Seek his face and deal with it. You may find that cloudy days like today are just a beautiful surprise.